Hello, this is my second video on the Angel Business Club. I interviewed Soraya Anderson, who had been a member of the club since the word go, and also a member of the pilot study before the club, and she will tell you all about her experiences, why she joined the club, the returns she's managed to achieve purely by being a member of the club, and why she feels other people should join as well. Now, in it she talks about investment, but the reality is it's not actually her investing the money, it is her membership fee which is invested by the directors of the club. I hope you enjoy this video, and we will send you another video of an interview with Dominic Berger, the Chief Executive Officer, next. Hello Soraya.
Hello Charles.
Now, I understand you've been involved with the Angel Business Club from the word go.
That's right, yes.
So that was how long ago?
That was nearly 2 years ago now.
Okay, 2 years ago. Why did you decide to get involved with the Angel Business Club?
Well, I love the idea of investing, but didn't want to put the time or the money into learning a new skill. So what I loved about Angel Business Club is that the infrastructure was there. I didn't have to get involved in selecting companies, any of what's involved. I am just a plain investor, an everyday investor.
All right, but the Angel Business Club concentrates on companies before they go to the stock market. They obviously carry a higher degree of risk.
Yes.
I mean, why get involved in that as opposed to investing in the normal stock market?
I think with the regular stock market, you have to be very skilled at watching the charts constantly. With an IPO, most people in their lifetime wouldn't have an opportunity to invest in one IPO because you'd have to know the CEO, or you'd have to have a considerable amount of money in the bank. We have many companies, some extraordinary impact companies, so even if some of them fails, it doesn't matter because we have superstars among them and it all balances out in the end. And with one company that listed last year in the London Stock Exchange, I had a 100% return on one company.
And over what period of time was that?
That was about 6 months.
Wow, that's fantastic.
It is.
So you must be some sort of city whiz who knows all about these things, otherwise you wouldn't. Not
at all. I'm a complete layperson. I have never been involved in the financial industry in any shape or form.
All right, so is it easy to understand what's going on then?
It's very easy. It's very much in layperson's language, so easy for it all to understand, yes.
Oh, that's very good. So do you have to invest a huge amount of money in this to get involved? There's a minimum of £10,000 or something like that?
Well, that's what's so attractive about this, because you can invest for as little as €89, which is about £74, a ticket to the theatre really, or up to €990. And it's very flexible, so you can stop and start, you can upgrade or downgrade your membership, and there's even opportunities to invest further, if you so wish.
So if you like a particular company and you think, oh, that's a real winner,
yes,
there's an opportunity to buy extra shares.
There is. We have an internal trading platform, so you could buy one share in a particular company. Very simple to do, completely free to do, easy to use.
All right, so how do you get your money out if you need to get some money out at the end? Is that very complicated?
It's very, very simple. It's just a matter of putting in your bank details and it's transferred in a few days.
All right, so on the amount which you've invested through the membership and whatever trading you've done, what sort of return have you got over the last 2 years? My portfolio has more than doubled. In 2 years?
In 2 years. Anybody invested a minimum of €89 last year would have got a 21% return, which I think is phenomenal, far more than you get in the banks.
And far more than you'd get in most stock market investments, but obviously there is a higher degree of risk in this, isn't there?
Absolutely. But actually, because we have so many companies, I think that's the key. If you invested in one company, yes, it could go either way. But because we have many, I think personally that lowers the risk. But yes, we are a high-risk company.
Yeah, a spread of risk. And certainly with my conversation with Dominic, the CEO, he's telling me he tries to concentrate a great deal on companies pre-initial public offering.
Yes.
That way, there's a better than good chance that they will actually make a return. If you just go for initial seed money, as with crowdfunding, then it's a much higher risk than something of this nature. Is that correct?
Absolutely, yes, absolutely. And I think that's what makes it so exciting. We have some incredible companies that are making an impact. And we, as lay people, have a chance to invest in these incredible companies. But not only that, what is very unique is that we actually get to meet the people behind the companies. If I had an ISA at the bank, I'd probably never know the name of the CEO, let alone meet them in person. And that makes us unique.
That sounds excellent. So why should somebody invest?
I think they should invest. You should always have a vast portfolio, not just in our club, but I think it's a small amount of money. It's not tens of thousands. You haven't got to put your house on the line. But we have just such fantastic companies, and we can become consumers in the companies. It's just something to look at. It's not for life if you don't want it to. It is a long-term investment. Don't look at this as a short-term. Put your money in, let it grow, stay in for a couple of years at least, and just watch what happens, because it's very exciting.
So are there lots of organisations like this out there?
No, we are the only one.
Really?
There are plenty of crowdfunding, business angels, etc. But the difference is that we can engage with these companies. They may use us for our networks. People who do we know? We can become consumers, as I said, in those companies. And they can use our services as well. So again, where do you get to meet the CEOs of companies? I have some of their numbers on my phone. Would I get that anywhere else? Probably not.
No, so it's an opportunity for a layman who doesn't really know that much about finance to actually invest in new companies, which if they take off can make you a lot of money, and if they don't take off, well, because you've got a spread, you still got a chance of making a very good return, which to date has worked very well for you and other members of the club.
Absolutely, yes.
Sounds fantastic.
Yes,
Thank you very much,
fantastic.
Soraya. Soraya was part of the original Swedish company prior to the Angel Business Club forming, and that was 5 years ago. Soraya has kindly sent me a screenshot of her account from the word go. The amount she contributed for membership fees, trading share allocations of other members is just under €17,000. The strike price value of her allocated equity holdings stands at €47,790. That's an increase in value of 180% in 5 years. Now, past performance is no guarantee of future returns. However, if the directors don't achieve decent returns, you can always stop your membership fees.